is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Talks about niggas Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't wanna trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, we'll take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle, can't stand you. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up, really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up, really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up, really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up, really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up, really high. What's the to the moon? We're going real soon. I said it, so change your attitude and your tune. This is the Wall Street Beat Show. Positivity, love, Wall Street Pete, Crypto in Crypto. Every day we come with a live. How's everybody doing this morning? Coming to you live, technical analysis, right? Talk about going to the moon, and damn, hopefully we're going soon, right? Starting to look good for Uptober. October, excuse me, right? Seems like October is a very good month, though. Let's be real, right? Real as steel from the guy from Wall Street. And here you are right now. Good morning. It's good to see someone in the chat, as it says we had 0 people viewers. Right now, if you pay attention, hit the like, hit the subscribe. We are moving and grooving. We're trying to get to the 1.5. In the last month, we were all the way from 1.33 to 1.37. I feel like Bitcoin. Moving on up, Ethereum, and some of the shit coins, if Selner agrees. What's going on? Well, I have a couple assets, top 3, that I believe this month is going to do well. Polkadot, well, it's being one of them. And right now in this daily chart, I want to show you something. We have a big long daily coming down, obviously, from last year. It was a nightmare, as you could tell. So you hit the like, you hit the subscribe. We talk about this going on a ride. And currently, right now, I want to pay attention to this huge falling wedge daily candle. Each candle represents a day, and you see here from the top that we're dissecting this. It's Polkadot from Friday to the 12th of August, 2022 of this year. We came all the way down. We keep touching this falling wedge here to the tip, and then somehow coming down. So looking at this right now, there could be a bearish momentum and could give us one more to the downside here on this spike, giving us this magnitude. So pay attention to what's happening here. Could really break out. So Polkadot is one of them that I'm paying attention to. Give you some news, what is going on. Polkadot price snuffs out bullish sparks as community. Celebrates first parachain migration. Very big news, right? And of course, what does it have to do? Web3 milestone. After migrating the Kilt protocol, which is blockchain protocol used for creating, issuing, and verifying digital identities. So pretty excited to hear this news. The development said via blog post published on October 4th that the migration also represents the first instance of parachain taking the upgrade path from Kusama to Polkadot. So if anyone is interested, they are now getting and developing in projects for the Web3. Polkadot, I do expect, like I said, this October to get excited, have some big movement. Astar, the future of smart contracts for multi-chain, and of course Polkadot is now involved. connects the Polkadot ecosystem to Ethereum, Cosmos, and all major Layer 1 blockchains. So as of yesterday, I did say to you before this news came out, I was pretty excited. I was accumulating my bags for Polkadot. So pay attention, definitely to mention, as Polkadot is getting a little bit of a bump right now in price. We're going to go over that in just a second. And there's some things going on in the month of November. You'll hear more about this in this if you're interested in reading. So Cardano, I want to talk about Cardano. I believe Cardano could make a nice big move. It seems like the total crypto market cap continues to climb. I don't know what's going on with our YouTube algorithm. It's pretty bad lately. YouTube does not want us to succeed. So I would say if you're one of those people watching these things and getting some help and getting some good information, please don't hesitate. Get out of the phone real quick if it's on your phone. Hit the like. I really need it. We're fighting the algorithm so terrible today. It's sick. So we're gonna have 3. Polkadot is one of them. Cardano's 2. I think it's gonna make a nice growth coming in. Currently, right now, we're establishing ourselves towards the 1400, towards the 20,000, talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you can see, I did say this was coming. I expected this. If you follow me on my channel, you already know. These are some of the things. And another one now, Elron. Exactly as predicted coming in. This is crazy, E-Gold. You hit the like, you hit the subscribe, and this is the stuff I talk about. This is wild. Building support, flipping the resistance into support, breaking out of this falling wedge. Here are some of the layers and some of the levels that we can come through once we start breaking through. So as you can see here, we're having some trouble on the next price level of $57. So now that we're establishing the support level, hopefully here at this 54, you'll see the next price level for Kusama. We must break 57.5, finish a daily candle above, and then you'll find yourself hopefully finding resistance around the $60-something level. I have 62, but this is exciting. This is Elron, and then Kusama, is what I meant to say, was doing something similar to the falling wedge on the daily. So pay attention to that. Could be getting a bearish momentum, and then obviously, as you can see, what could happen, an upward W would form. We didn't even start the W yet. Where would the W start? Well, start right about $40. So if you are paying attention now to Kusama, there's a chance you could rebuy entries at this price. Doesn't always mean that. I like to go to the indicators, pay attention. But some of the top 3 altcoins this month, these are one of the top 3s that I'm going to pay attention to. Jasmy's up there. These are some of the things. You can see Luna's getting that, Terra Luna's getting that retracement down, hurting. Ethereum Classic making some moves. And as you see right here, I'm looking at the top here where we keep hitting resistance. And non-stop. It's been either support, as you see here, or resistance underneath. So this line I magically have here is an amazing price level. RSI levels here. This right here is always resistance, and then we need it to flip to support. This would take us all the way to that $44. And like I'm showing you here, flipping that old support coming from Monday, June 22nd. June 13th, of the 22 year, we're looking to flip support on there. So we're going to have to get support for Kusama all the way up here. That's when you know we'll be doing big things. It'll be flipping. It will be support at the $45, $44. Pay attention to that. And that's when that upward W will come out and break through this falling wedge. I don't know what to do anymore to get this channel popping. We give amazing feedback. We've also been buying Bitcoin for the 3rd month. What does this mean? Well, it means that we're going to go up, and it means that the price is going to continue to reflect. Cardano price prediction can hit $1. Can it hit $1 in October? My answer is I believe it could start to establish that. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. But I believe it could start to establish that. It's a very big deal. Getting into Cardano now, looking at this on the RSI level, I do see we're getting a bullish divergence. What are we looking at? The daily pattern here, getting a complete double bottom pattern here. And it's pretty exciting to see that happen because we have not broken out yet. So these are some of the things, if you watch the channel, if you pay attention, definitely to mention, instead of being on the top, right? Polkadot is on the top of the falling wedge. Kusama on the top of the falling wedge, right? We're getting bearish momentums. Well, if you're looking to sell that, well, then sell that, because it's what we see here as a buy on the Cardano blockchain. And I do see that, right? And I hope you see it now as well. This is just not financial advice, but this is a gentleman twice as nice. Do your own research. And as you can see right here, that's where we are. So if this was like a Wyckoff pattern or something similar to that, you'll see we are hitting resistance, creating new lower lows. And as we're doing so, I have them circled for you ahead of time. These are some of the situations you'll find yourself hitting. 46 cents. Perhaps if we get a nice big blow up, it'll be 48. What am I looking to find? As we can find ourselves above the bearish trend, you will then be fighting yourself and asking yourself, is 50 cents going to happen? Because once we start breaking above the 50 cents, ladies and gentlemen, the bearish momentum is over, Red Rover. And then you'll find yourself breaking out of a falling wedge. So Cardano, Kusama was in the mix with the Polkadot news. So Cardano, Polkadot, and Elron. One of the three, I would say, please pay attention. Definitely to mention, pay attention to these moves. I'm very excited for what Elron has to offer. All daily charts, I know. We got to do some movements here. What else can we offer for the Wolves of Wall Street? They deserve the best. Currently, right now on the daily, we're a little bearish, as you can see there. But what's happening? EMA, exponential moving average, you already got your move. And as we talk about it many times, what do we say? Well, when the band's getting tight, as you can see right there, the band is super tight. Bollinger Band's coming in, right, closing. A big move's coming. Well, this one was a breakout to the upside. We hit our magical price level of the, 57? So $57 for Elron. So that's what we were talking about. Coming through the EMA, what will happen is we're still getting tight. Another breakout is possibly coming. What would Wall Street Pete do if he was trading for the next move? And I'm going to do this before I go. $52.35 of a dollar cost average in, and then stop at the $50 exactly. So $52 all the way to the $50. I would dollar cost average into this price level, coming back down. As you may see, I don't know, many people may not see this, but this is a cup and handle coming in. So pay attention to that, and that's about what I see coming through. So everyone, I hope this was helpful. My name is Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Hit that like, hit the subscribe. We have a lot of big things coming for you. I'd like to do a couple of videos sooner rather than later. But this is all we can offer for this morning, but this is a lot. So you hit the like, you hit the bell, all notification, and when we come live to you with the next video, we will give you some viable information. But you have to put in the comments section. You have to do your part. Let me know Let me know in the comment section what asset you would like Wall Street Pete to go over next. We'll break it down. I'll give you my strategy plan only, of course, because I am in every asset as possible. Dollar cost average in and dollar cost average out. Take care.